how to use Airtable for project management. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use Airtable for project management. Using Airtable for project management can help you organize and track your project effectively. Okay, so here is a guide on how to get you started. The first step is to sign in into your Airtable account. Once you're signed in, just go ahead and set up your base by clicking on the base star you would like to work with. So after selecting the base, for me, I have selected my base. I will be brought to the base interface where you would see everything needed. So the next step is to create workspaces for different projects and databases within them. And you can do this by first of all customizing your views. All right. Now, by the left to customize your views, go to the left side of the screen and check out the different views available. So you have to select the views that is most suitable for your project management duty. Currently, I am using grid. If grid is the one that is stable for you, you can just go ahead with it. If not, you can check out other things. For example, a view like list. So you can just click on create new view and then you wait patiently for it to load. And then once it has loaded, you can see the way it looks like. So you can utilize different view types actually, such as Kanban, timeline, etc. Then the next step is to manage collaborators, all right? And to do this, you would have to add team members and set permissions to collaborate effectively. So how do you add team members? To add your team members is majorly to share your database with others. How do you do this? Move to the top right side of the screen next to the help icon and then click on the share icon. After clicking on the share icon in the box displayed, you can see email invites, create link, share publicly. So you can just type out the email addresses of the people that you'd like to invite. So after typing out the email addresses, this email will be sent to this a message will be sent to the people you like to invite, and then when they accept the invite, um there would be collaborators, all right, on the site, and then you can set permissions for them by moving to the right side of the screen. Click on the creator option and then select what you would want them to do. Since they are your team members, you can just make them to be editors as well, yeah, for your project management. And then once you're done and the invite has been sent, once they accept the invite, there would be your team members. And then once that is done, you can use templates. Okay, you can use templates to speed up the process by using Airtable project management templates. Yeah, so you can try that, and then you can also integrate tools to also make your work easier by moving to the top right side of the screen. Click on tools and then select any tool that is efficient for you. Or you can just click on extensions and then you will see the different apps available on the site. Just ensure you use them effectively and then you'll be able to carry out your project management duties on Airtable. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a good day.